Miana Senior Amoah Chimbi Adom TV Badwam Jumadi so yada Apostle Dr. Nite Kutegwa Senin Kranshansam. Yanhre said yen some no etie na yade atogana fo nyina nim se amba alert no a yade aba ebeboa nkora wo mo yira yenhu wo mo bia mfa no honyem eno ne nsem bi na no pay yade bro Adom TV Badwam kase uko Facebook /Adom TV extra yo go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTuber Adom TV 2 na kwa adomonline.com semi eni nsem bebre ewo ho Majoy Trish entadi bako ene sheme kame uko Facebook ni Instagram ubenya ode ho midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den semni chemu ankasa etie Meta eye adwumaku a wo mu de Facebook ni Instagram ni Messenger aba wo mu ne Ghana Police Service aka wo ho abomu a wo mu power amba alerts dwumadi ho entuma ne bota nyina ye bako enkura wo mu yira yenhu ba bi wo mu ne namnom ne ade ne be fasa kwanya iso yenhu.
But let me be clear, the effectiveness of this system will not be left to the police alone. It will need the active cooperation of every one of us, parents, guardians, community leaders, the media, and the public at large. We all must constantly be on the lookout, be reactive and dedicated to our children's safety.
Meta Platforms Vice President Public Policy Africa and Middle East and Nkruwa Hodo Bimu Kujo Boachi editu jase enhihyeya wo mudi go akwam eyadea wo mo ede boama nkwada wo mo yirano awofunu mbehum na wo mo ani age.
Here today to launch Amber Alerts. Ghana becomes the 5th country in Africa and the 36th country in the world to see this particular tool that's rolled out on Instagram, Facebook and Messenger rolled out, and actually, it's the first time we'll see it on Messenger. The key to Amber Alerts is to save and protect missing children. In those golden moments when they go missing, you'll be able to send alerts on any of Meta's platforms, of those 3 platforms I mentioned. Again, Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, to alert people within a 100-mile radius of where that child goes missing. And hopefully, as a community of Ghanaians, nationwide, wherever you are within that radius, you will be able to search and look for those children as well.
Pani kwanche for ya wayakofa by Ghana Legal Information Institute ura obi Amoah na ne wode atoja sa judge for bebre no ana emra bi wo ho ye pa ho ntoma wo mrahye bedwafie mu na won nimu ti okoba se wo di asam a na ye bibi wo ho nti nei Ghana Legal Information Institute won judicial service akabo mu a won de ntete ye te saa ne nsem a te saa no ebetudwa
obe obetuma ko court kra na obe kotu mra bi no ebi a judge no kra mra no hu se aba Supreme Court ankasa your case bi a Supreme Court ankasa di Tama ye kansa amra no no mo sisa amra no omo nya sure se wo ho nanso na parliament a pass sa amra no sesi e ka say judicial service omo ne ya hihye mra information bi omo bia ultimately di mine ye to platforms so obi a tumi ko hwe bi NGO bi akapre.
First Deputy Speaker wo mrahye bedwafie Bernard Hiafo a obi pie dwumadi no ase enso den sim sei ene tudwa.
As our nation moves deeper into the digital age, the world around us continues to change rapidly. Parliament itself has embraced digital transformation from e-petition that connects citizens directly with legislators to the digitalization of our historic Hansas, making it possible for every Ghanaian to explore how past parliaments have shaped our nation.
President the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association in Perpetual for Young People said nay one fair wages and salaries commission pen focus share in the Ministry of Finance inti won susu no won trimu pobi a boy yasan kobesa tie atwea no omo atwea san
ye employer na gitu mu say we hu se ampa ye market premium no ho ato chima kakra na emom no enye bibia omo betumi aye ne sisi a enti no omo sreye se ye ma omo mre na omo nto omo bo ase na omo hwehwe emu yie na omofa yie ento yie efa ye fuwa allowance no omogitu mu se eno de enimanimu ya no omobehwe na omode aka media budget ne ho na emom no omobetua no according to government approved rates.
Panyini kasaye mu no ensem a efa continuous professional development ene nhyehyɛ afoforo wonum ehwe animu kwan sa aban ene wonum bɛyɛ sɛ de bɛyɛ anesefo benya somdwie ede aye wonum adwuma no wakyerɛ nhyehyɛ a nhyiamu na se no wonum agitu mu ya wonum nyina ehunu ne sɛ so wɔyɛ ne sa ɛbɛboa ama otumi aye wonum adwuma ne yi.
The National Council no toato adwen no National Council no agye atum sɛ ensem na etwetwere yebo a ye ka sɛ ye beti tua se neoma anko ye no bebi a ye do no ya twe bibia san ama ye hwe nim se employer no neoma na aka ye wo se omo ye no omo be hwe nim no ma ye.
Asweye ya ehwe energy and green transition eso SNA wo mo se ba be Kenya wo hu bie mu ayirmu e won hihya hodo betumi aboa no yenyina mahode atumi agira ne nan so na dum so bi ma omaimo.
We identified most of these defective equipment and lines and have been working on them aggressively, and I want to commend ECG under the leadership of Engineer Kwekwena for the tremendous work they've done so far. They've constituted 4 gangs alone for Accra, working on a 24-hour shift in line with the president's vision. And when we identify a problem, they're swiftly moving to address those challenges. To add to that, they've procured about 200 new critical transformers to beef up the distribution system to ensure that we reduce the outages.
Washabose aban ayekrado so wadin hihye bebrebe gu akwan mu se de beya ebeboa amanyina mahode ho nsem wo man mu no akonkan na afesika amanfo betua de apanyina mahode no so wehu so emfaso.
We can confidently say that Ghana's energy sector is indeed showing signs of stabilization and improvement, driven by ongoing reforms aimed at addressing both technical and financial challenges, as well as modernizing infrastructure. The persistent and erratic power outages that had plagued the country when we assumed office during the beginning of the year has witnessed a remarkable improvement and reliable supply of power. And you can attest to the fact that we are now experiencing reliable, uninterruptible supply of power.
Menya no sona Adom TV Badwam kase no memfansi ha meda se mrani adaje odemaye warawma twa ne mfa de obonkrata no ne Adom online stories no to so medi afia amankwa tamaklo.